Minia, she has suspended the whole bill. No, so secretary. Make us say, Mama examples. Your traditional course, you and your alternative dispute course, you are. Tribunal and the voter, any say. And sign your the normal course system was war. If anything, strengthen some of these courts. Gas the one of fairy. Near Quayanim. Because you see, and you would tie a man would tie and say, Yachi Nipa Kobu at Yasu. And you may watch ya. I therefore, according to the they say, judicial system across the world, and say, case you all cry, you go swap, you see, did it, suspended sentence. Aye. So, what you feel so now that pleasing. If you also swap, you say, a car, I want you to grab it here. So, what do you have? And all you need to do is that you strengthen the existing system. So, I say, and what then? You are here for court one way you let me actually book. This should be innovation. And that can be reinventing the wheel. And here, BBM1, yes, Uncle Pambra, only traditional Tribunal system. I'll tell you for a fact. There's no way I'm out for video. Oh, Simon. And that's the truth. And millions of Mama are away. Based on history. Sir, no, say. Prof Mitier. I can say emphatically. Say, Yadia, I'm out for Indian and these members to crown Yajidio. Oh, sir, we nanwa, Omoba, Omoti, Ora. Any home come ama ora you cry mujiji omo evidence ni ade nyina awie ye no amanfo bom sujetre se ora na koda na no former auditor general no kra no ka ora members ne ho kra mo ampanimfo na ye set up ora no kra no ka ho kra wono kra criticize bi e de aka ho nti se we no kra ba na be deal with only the oral cases wie na ekoda se wa ye na adwuma. Ora no muagu and then they dealing with oral cases. Oh, see, I say crime has no expiry. Exactly. I don't know who no. I don't know who my mini your mama in a chicken food. She achieved that a your friend say attorney general by you. She cases are a damn this is what the brains who are passing. Is there anything about me passing? Seminia John Mama or Ajia and Wadio will also spend it. No man from Mount Sasso. Let's say every Pamuno, Ya Ghana for Akuma to Amuyam, relevant education has taken place. Now, Gideon Apeja, you see, a class. A Quobia, Omedia, development, a course without trust. But where is the trust now? They said the Aquarian said, trust no one your and this and some because recently. Say I parties are more. You got you more than I'm saying Yoko, Yoko, what you want to do. Debbie. My young watching America, what you should buy, I don't have to be. No, I will carry on be out my to say, Nano, Attorney General Caso, I refer Yami. I will galamse and come ya Hama Yoku, but the cry boy coffee and Terry. No, not what you say about a bay. 2-3 weeks ago. Would you be about a bay? I know the last year more baby. No, I just have banana. Where's the other buyer? Aye. Linia. And only idea media let you have a bomby who kakra. If you say the video one room dream. So I say, you will be paid. We are air cost or MYA. Me Bobie, the Minia John Mama, they are also spending idea. Now, one more quay, a month for a month, na nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛnkɔ fam na nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛbɛfa so ayi enipa kora incidents of a so implement tribunal system no a wɔn mo nhwɛ modify nhyehyɛeɛ no na ɛmmoa ɔman Ghana.
Okay.
Two, judicial system. To promote the judicial system, no. Yamami Akufu, Sophie Akufu, under President Adolfo Akufo-Addo. Ne peso, only a special design of court structures, buildings. Nay, Papa Akufo-Addo peso. District be a court in India, Tamia say court war. And it's a court war, sir. If you say, and somewhere yet question sure. Then the media say, who will preach 24 hours? So 24 hours displacement of justice. Yeah, quite more judges. But now we have more lawyers. Nanka. If you cry judicial activity, no crowd, yeah, standing up. You see, I have 24-hour judicial system in Ghana.
Okay.
But where opportunity when you have the kind breaking down about for big castle. Where university see the your phone lectures are. There's a 2 o'clock near and down in the down. And here another batch of students, Mohammed back. They are tired of saying, and I know you bet that to us where you saw down.
And so one the better, my dear, no.
But I check more, that's the question. So you only need to employ more, but you have the resources to do it. So I would have why I tell you. Yeah, the funny that you are.
Oh, yeah.
Then you are done, I won't find more judges. And it Roman conquer India several various existing courts.
Because minim court to be a tema high court or tema judge area court on any juma. Because judge no yari.
Because so you need sufficient staff, and that's how.
Aye.
And you would need tribunal no buy that's almost our problem now.
Sir, no dear.
Now look at the qualification for the tribunal chairman. Yes, I saw you be our veterinary judge.
Aye.
Let me engage in the part of the work.
And think you have any pan and quiet judge a court.
Exactly.
Okay.
So why the word tribunal? Why the need? And Brana was a tribunal for the year, man. Existing laws run once a year, man. So why do we have to have a power system? This is how I give you what you talk. Who persist to have it manipulated? Other than that, there's no wisdom in this.
As a way, no, and toss my prof.
Seriously.
Okay.
Now, a lot of people, media, and say, your traditional system, no, you are him for no court, no. The young who will be out in national coin for no. I'm here, dear, some more as I could eat before court. I'm a yes or so, I'm a that.
Okay.
You are quite a traditional system, no. Tabula, and you put that 3 as a saying, yeah, Panama.
I, indeed, chairman, no, you better appointed chairman, no, now, you assembly, no, so no. Within the catchment area, only appointed 2 other members in Akahon.
Very good. Now, you have a good Yahi somewhere, Yahi says, I think you know.
Tribunal about a good, I hear somebody, you know.
Now, what respect, Emma, your traditional course, no, chaired by our chiefs. We don't have to create a parallel system in the same district. Why?
So when you special cases,
ordinary people be any ever you want. Meanwhile, who call your traditional course? I hear you for one. You will crunchy, you know. You are just saying it.
Aye.
You are coming in it.
A commu, benkum ne nifa chidomhene
yo bonkum yo nifa yo achiame
enokre
achiame no kura bi ho no ho ni bi ho achiame be 3
ebi kura de ye 4 ne 5
enti we eni ba se no mabobọ no
edoso
womo no so nchai sa 3 as 4 na wo koyiro
womo doso
na wakọ wanya asọmakọ onye bi anyị nsi ara akọ bịa sị na eji asọm anyị nsi da
me ade me fra himfie ntino no minim se na yete
very good I want to true democracy enye hifuri nyina na no mu nuanu kai adwene but every given moment the majority beka and no one for what ya ko yamu no suppose in bracket child person you know obejina so pass the judgment democracy be na change and the woman that was here strengthening no then the alternative dispute court where I mean you yantia ho aso ade bi ho ya yemi anu kra be twa agree so okay ya fa kwa himfie na na no ga maye ana ya fa kwa alternative dispute no mo ga maye no mo di ko o mo ga dani asabra ya see everybody pass here ere dabo and there is always peace the who so be kuntopa e wo alternative dispute court asida
adabia no kra de
si da video asoma ko ayifie a video mini am ya ka asoma na wi am asisi o ya kuntopa
ebi nsi
so why the so called tribunal at this time
prof utie enkomo no efa tribunal bill ne ho ne se ne set up ne tie ne ade na we no eba behwe special cases.
What special cases?
Anya asembia de de kwa ahemfie.
Mate, and ultra me say you can empower the ahemfie council. Can you? You can you see you have the novelty. Bibi sonko.
Anyhow.
Yes, you have mama by what the side we have ama ahemfie council no apeja forever ever there go. Enipa ye beji dio ajafadie bi ebeja no ho ba de betre ayewudi and there so kuna bobie di ba ye ya nchima kaya na ya bu ye chiko ni ebo ye nsem. That is the innovation we talk about.
Okay.
Besinne ye ka kwa me nkoma asembegwa besinne omanpanyi daga akufo ya kana asembegwa
enokre
enne ya papa do da kwa akufo ya kana se Yebra Rollins ya kan no mabi ahyere nyuna omanpanyi na ye bo tuo kutua champon ya me fa de kransie yi
general kufu mu ne ankra mu nyina
kutua champon and estate wo won try daga wo ho ni nyina ohema yesisi ye ya project bi ani plan operation feed yourself
aye
and then kutua champon so na buy
backyard garden.
Name me a student of Operation Feed Yourself. Because I have been school. Star concept not from the team basing
domestication.
Me no ka say. So ultimate chia over to some kuko bi ye.
I my two me lam ni say ya mo kan kan kiti bia.
Dabi mi ara nkoto me kuko na me ye. Abranti bi so kuko de nam. Ana me to kuko ni bi na me ba si.
But you know operation feed yourself concept no.
Yes. And then kuko yo mu ye dede o masu yo mu tun kosia.
Okay.
But what you say?
Aye.
And you are so here bibia. Yet you shouldn't be interested in jailing people and no amount in power. Now, who bet you come and braya you are bra wo pa wo santa ubia.
Na prof way. Yentimi so fa sa Billy tribunal yi and also in as much as ne initial concept wa manfo trim no ehunu say enye papa because near SEC president nti ebia senka ye jaye ema we so baaye be ye adwuma bia na eba be erase that concept na wa manfo trim no.
Yeah. How do you also make us say now make us be said why now timing you may have the best ideas but the time no nya papa at the time what idea you no matter what you do you know what that timing is very crucial in everything. Yeah, this try a change. Over to me classroom. Over study the mood of the students. Now what teacher you have to answer baby. And then no man call you. A community student compound or BBSC some hours ago. And the Arjuna school for another classroom Arjuna. It is a way a smart teacher and a lecturer also modify our presentation. Otherwise, I will pass out the lecture and go see who is Arjuna in the view. Arjuna also had the BB room. Now, BB had you room after Nipana didn't work here and the results, Papa. Now, the other results, Papa. It's already a new perception of the system, no, and negative. And no matter the results that will come, among for embrace. If it's a tribunal, no bad, then you have to automatically, no, there is a bias. There people in a deep area, they're watching this in a bias. Said, why not strengthen the existing judicial system? By the grace of God, Yama Miaku for the Nija to Akufuadu Adin, Yama Akufuadu Soul, I'm a never be this is the area of court. And then the year cripple the council.
Okay.
Now, yeah, they have Tabuna Pupro. I'm a fairly petty on I'm a pet structure. I'm on my what are we talking about?
Prof, Nkomono Ewa. Nanso, ya na ya na say Otimanta Mukrobi, your friend KJB. Ya kan na ya jabi. Ma yamfa ye nkomo ha. Na mampani nya asante ye nti emeye law, egusu ye bill. Sabre ebia sima se wodi tuma mpanifo a kaden na abeka kire no
beka kire se more financial shares here for now wo homeso na on tie for na so ntu pom tie Ghana for na enchenche wona fi
okay
o mampanyin kaya die Emrabia Akufuado Party Galamsey or the Bayano. Send Emra. The president is talking Galamsey. Now, the first popular person I'm not know. Where
I buy the Bayano, no munipa.
The Nipa to the Nipa who. The Nipa to a whole regional chairman or national chairman. And the whole view of one side.
Now I show dear.
Now, who shall Rasusua? You know, actually. The one we have the very law about the hukum.
Okay. Prof, my nasi, a bre, ya, when ya, amaye, any abonkom, or in Mrs. said, dear, you know, my uncle fan a beboom panty, be actually, ya, Yabasaba, near Bajum Wagon, and no pay.
Mammy for went that walk. Mammy for my different to talk. They saw my penny, Mimia John, or the John, Miss Millie John, on strengthening the existing courts. Already, you know, the physical structures, you are establishing every district. And then your law schools will be producing a lot of lawyers. One strength is this is more people. Now, how will you say? Present system no de battle. You will be free.
Yes, that's it. We Professor John Osei Bobie-Boahin. Ebano amamumu papa wabene pa na woni yen abo enkomo no. Oye lecturer ewo Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology KNUST. Yene no abo nkomo no. Nti ono so na dwenkyere ewo ensemi ho no na ode amaye no. Abusia join here on Facebook ne so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Na fa wadwen kyerɛ bra. Na yɛbɛgye brɛ ne akenkan ne nyinaa kama ɛde amount. Yɛhunu sɛ amanfoɔ bi ɛde comment no bi ɛde abegu hɔ. Abamu wɔ hɔ papa. Yɛbɛkenkan ne nyinaa ɛde amount. Bibia bɛ fine.